This is a makeup video for those students that were not able to come to the Zoom meeting and do the line notes that day. So if you were here for that and you completed this lesson, you don't need to do it. This is just for people that were not able to attend the Zoom meeting for whatever reason. So I'm gonna be doing this very quickly, so you can just watch this at your own pace. You can pause it and rewatch it if you need to. But you're gonna need to know how to do these lines, these 4 different types of lines for our first art project this year. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a piece of paper. I'm gonna turn it sideways like this, and I'm gonna get something to draw with. You can use crayons, color pencils, or markers for this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a line from the top to the bottom in the middle, from top to bottom. Then I'm going to draw a line in the middle from left to right. So I'm splitting up the paper into 4 different spaces because you're gonna be learning about 4 different types of lines. Next, I'm going to label each one of these boxes with the name of the type of line you're gonna be learning about. The first one is horizontal. So I'm gonna do this quickly. You can pause this after I'm done with all 4 and then just copy them down in your boxes. Horizontal is the first one. And then I'm gonna underline it. Leave space in this box because you're gonna be drawing lines in it. Vertical is the next one. Diagonal. And curve. If you need time to write this down, you can pause the video right now and copy down these words. The next part is I'm going to draw examples and explain what these lines are. So inside this box right here for horizontal, I'm going to draw horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are lines that go left and right or sideways. They can be short lines, they can be medium length, they can be long, they can be thick or thin. But horizontal lines are lines that go left and right or sideways. You can use whatever colors you want to draw your lines in this box. So I'm just gonna fill it in with some more horizontal lines, lines that go left and right. The next part is vertical lines. Vertical lines go up and down. Once again, you can make short vertical lines. You can make medium length ones, or you can make longer ones too. But a vertical line goes up and down, and it can also be thick. As long as it goes up and down, you've got a vertical line. The next type of line we're going to talk about is a diagonal line. A diagonal line slants. It's in between a horizontal and a vertical. So it's not horizontal or vertical, it slants like this. It can go from the top left to the bottom right, or the bottom right to the top left, or it can go this way. So you're gonna fill in this box with different diagonal lines. And you can make them thick diagonal lines. So you're just gonna fill this box in with some diagonal lines. Now, so far, these 3 lines, horizontal, vertical, and diagonal, are all straight lines. A straight line is a special type of line because it's the fastest way to get between 2 points. So on this piece of paper, I'm just gonna show you, you don't need to copy this down. But if I have 2 points and I'm trying to draw a line, the fastest way to a point is a straight line. That means it goes directly to that point. That's a straight line. If I did 2 other points right here, and I went straight there, that's the fastest way to the point. That's a diagonal line. I made a horizontal line with a straight line, and then I can make a vertical one. These are all straight lines. The next type of line we're going to be talking about, and the last one, is a curved line. It is not a straight line. It's the opposite of a straight line. And a curved line bends. Like the letter S is a straight line. The letter C has a straight line. The letter U has a straight line. but it is not the fastest way. So if I'm trying to make a curved line and I have 2 points, this would not be the fastest way to the point. That's an example of a curved line. It bends and moves around. So fill in this last box with curved lines. We're going to be using these 4 types of lines for our first art project this year. So make sure you keep this in your art folder that you made for your first assignment. Also, write your name on the back. I'm going to be writing my name on the back. You write your name on the back. Okay? Keep this in your notes and be ready for the first project. Thanks.